stop wasting time manually leaving feedback for buyers on eBay. I'm going to be showing you how to automate it. So you're going to log into eBay. Once you're in eBay, you're going to go in the top right-hand corner. You're going to do this and then click on account settings. Once you're in account settings, you're going to scroll down and click selling preferences. Once you're in selling preferences, you are literally going to click on selling preferences again and then go to automate feedback. If you ever saw that, it's right there, free for you. You're going to click on the edit button on automate feedback right in eBay and then look, automatically leave positive feedback once the buyer has paid for the item. And then you can edit stored comments on what feedback you want to leave. I recommend to make it sure it looks real, right? A huge thank you for your order. You're awesome. I like to make sure it looks like we're actually typing it ourselves instead of that automated A++++, amazing buyer that I've never met, right? So it's up to you on how you want to do it, but automating feedback is a great way because as a buyer, I don't leave feedback for sellers unless they leave me feedback first. And if you forget to leave feedback, you can best bet I am not leaving you feedback. So this is a great way to automate that. You're going to click save. And then after this, you're good to go. Anytime somebody places an order and pays, you'll see it automatically leaves positive feedback for the seller, which is going to save you a lot of time and energy in the long run. That's it in a nutshell. And that's it for today's video. Want more eBay videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new? Drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you like these eBay videos because we are going in depth on this to help you and your seller journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Willingly going out.